Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. There goes my husband, crazy as he is. Today's video is all about decorating my family room Christmas tree. I want it to be monochromatic, but I am going to be adding some golds and little touch of greens and greenery here and there. I'm also going to be adding some picks and lamb's ear picks in there as well, just to kind of give it some depth. This tree is very old. I thrifted this tree about 6 years ago and it's very old. It's literally falling apart. It's not very balanced. I have it kind of like, hitched up on paper and things so that it can stay up. If you're actually looking at it right now, you can see that it's not well balanced. So this is probably going to be my last year using this tree. It's not in its best shape. She has served my family very well, but it's time to put her to rest. She is not about the right. So I am going to be definitely looking out for a tree after Christmas clearance for my family room. So I am just now adding some ribbons on there, and I got this ribbon off of Amazon. I will link it down below. It says that Jesus is the reason for the season, and so I'm just going to be cutting them in strips and adding them to the tree, as well as adding other things. Now I wanted to add berries to this tree, but I already have berries in the other tree in my dining room, so I kind of wanted this tree to be a little bit different in its personality, but I wanted it also to be full because I am a maximalist with a conscience. I love adding stuff into my tree. I love a packed tree. This year, obviously, you see my theme is all red and traditional and classic, and a Christ-centered classic Christmas is what I am doing this year. And so I am super excited about the way how this tree turned out. I absolutely love it. And it coupled with my fireplace looks absolutely incredible. So I'm going to leave you to it. I'll jump in here in a little bit, and I hope that you guys enjoy the music and enjoy the video.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So I am adding these little 18-foot garlands. I got them from Walmart, and I just love them. I think that they are so dainty and so darn cute. And I wanted to put them on my tree. They do come in silver and gold, but I wanted the red because I'm going monochrome. So I just love the way that it adds to it. It kind of adds like a little nostalgia to it. Like I remember as a child, my mom putting this on our tree for Christmas, and I just enjoyed it so much. I mean, I think I get my decorating both from my mom and dad. Obviously, you are a product of your environment. And I just love these little garlands. They are so cute and so dainty. It also gives like a little reflection, so that's kind of cool as well. And then I got these baubles from Amazon. I don't know what's been going on lately, you guys. The pictures that you see on Amazon is not what it normally is. Like, I saw these baubles and I swear I thought they were like larger than what they are, and then they came in the mail and that's what it was. So I thought it was larger balls, but nevertheless, it looks nice. I just thought it was going to be a larger size so that I can fill the tree out a little bit more, but it wasn't. But in any event, it's fine. I just added more baubles to it. And I think that it's turning out so stunning.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
By the way, you guys see Nyla there. She is actually eating. I did put her on the table, but she wanted to be closer to me. So she took her plate and put it on the carpet in the foyer. And that's where she's relaxed and laying and eating. She does that all the time. She loves the floor. She's just like myself. I love laying and eating on the floor. And so this is one of the reasons why we do not wear shoes in the house, because Nyla and I are always laying out on the floor, and she just absolutely enjoys eating in the foyer. So just in case anybody's wondering, I did not put her on the floor to eat. She chose to go on the floor.
Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance.
And this is what my tree is looking like in my family room for 2024. Love it. I love it so much. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, I did add some crystals on there. I got these. They're actually chandelier crystals I got from Amazon. And I just added them in. It came in like a pack of 30. I will link it down below for you. I think it was like $8 or $9 that I spent for a pack of 30, which was amazing. And I just added some red ribbons to them and added it to the tree. And it just gave the tree that luxurious feel that I was going for. But it just looks so stunning. I love my tree this year. So far, they are turning out so beautifully, and I just love them. I wanted to add some ribbon to this tree, but I figured, I think I have enough things on there. So I love the way that it turned out. You guys let me know down below, what do you think of my family room tree this year? I love it. Do you think I should add some more things to it, or it's just right the way that it is? Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. And I will see you guys next time in my family room. Decorate with me. Ciao, you guys. Happy decorating. Bye.
And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.